Mena say so Adom TV Badwam so anopa kase ensem o yensa ka no megina ho sabre na me de asomo ne ensem no de obetie bi ene se Fitani ba ko ya wanya mfinhia aduonu miensa me no kasei wasan ne ho ahoma frimu ye de mu nchemu ebro sanso na posifo akofa nipa mako nan a wosusu se wabro eye adwumayefo bi na yebekọ eye oboase dwakasie ni mu nso aja hurenhura ma ne homre so amasoto osahodo dodo no atumi ahyehye ewo honom aposifo mienu nso me no kasei ampanifo chemu a wo mo anye won niam ye ntino sabrede wabro wonom atade a woye mu hwehwemu wei ene nsam wahodo bi namde so mo se Badwam so se anope wusia me ayafreme anoche waba ajwa se wa fe nsam nchemu no memfa ntwa so emawo Ofitani ba ko ya wanya mfinhia aduonu enum ya ne din ye gomwa nyanya no eno wo gomwa ismansi no emu no abrantie me no kasa de mfimfim antem asem na mekan kwame ablada abrantie atumi asan ne ho ahoma ade chen ne chese wato nanom ewo ensie na me no kasa de ye gomwa nyanya no posi mpanimfo ho no matima kwakofa mu na wo kwakokra Meno kase the Central East Regional Police Command no wetumi akwachi nipa mako 9 wambota waye enasa womode waye nyina ne se nipa beboro aduonu me ne mranti a wabeti akatikati en wetumi ekwatisi asase bi so na omanfo bi ye adwuma na meno kase no eye cement bag mako beye ahanu na afi blocks beye mpemaduasa 30,000 na sa metwo me ne atumi akose no krada ntani a wasa bro mranti bi a na wabo wompa waye adwuma wasa asase so na sa mranti mako aduonu osusu se wonom ayo langard fo a me no kasa posifo etima chiri mu nan wo mu akade wode wo ho akanwura
Breku Royal Anona family neyi akono kwao enkwantan ekasetia na montua emema kentinkai etuye
ya no anase ekrom ha no dia yewa ha ne senior high school ba kope hwenkan na nyame aye Adom Winners Chapel e ba be si university wa ebe boa school leavers o ma we SS na binimo omfim bien na ba be ko university wa ha no nipa bonifo amambonfo bi so asori se ne Winners start se awon ye no omato fence bi a nipa bi akobugu ni eguo na sa nipa na te sa na omo mpe kro ni ye anase omo mpe school leavers ni ye anase oman no omo mpe ni ye na ye transit sa enye ndi ya ama police for official san crofo no no omo ye san crofo na ambra bi a waga na sa so ya se omo di a ebe ye no omo ni omo ndi na we de entansi aye no bugwase kwa masanyaman
Mantamu honomo ena yegina na sabre de wutu senya ismensi ni mu ena ye koye kasoa na me no kase enyina mahoden ho ma kase ni bi atumi ate agwa brantia wanya mfinhia enkron Clement Kumsen na wagina soto obi a woto ade na sabre ho semisi ne wabra enhoma no tigu no so no ne fanyi na ahyehye ama na omanfo susu senya de sa brantia mpo obetumi enya nkwa na omanfo honomo no de wonso ma ne so ne kasoa polyclinica ampanifo tumi ejina ne so sabre de wayi no fie sanso ana maame Agnes ono nso no obe ho mfinhia aduasa ono nso so enhome kakra fa de ho a sede wo munya omuti didi mu no kra no eye omanfo pii nwanwa
bebri omo sesan nti ate ya no ana ye na ye dwane fi bebi a ayeteto ya no nti amala aya na set ya light na wa ni na edum ba omo sanso ya no na eye we epeja nti epeja na epla ye nua so boy ba akwan na ejane bi so tutoy ho ejane ba yeso wo ho ejane na ya me sound ejane nse omo soye no se na se titofoma so omo anso light na eya empeja ba omo san so light no so so light na ejane yes
me so omo so mo ya homa ni ye na homa na emu awugo no ebia next time enye se na eye ebia na ebetumi ekunipa ti eslam sa homa no mo ya munye ni ye
enwachi ena Samuel Kumsen papa editu dwase ebra wotiye sane babema enyina mahoden enhoma ate egu ne so no yamhye no a ekakutu abi anko wotwa hwe
do station pepe me park ya na me wife frame no osu mu sense de na aba no so kaso polyclinic ntemembra mi busane bia on tumenka me koe no mo ka chem se light ahoma ate egu forma ate me ba Clement ate ma oda emergency ward ho meko ampa meko hu se ya banage ne nsane ne nan nso we prapa police for na ya bo mama ne mama medical forms esi doctor na obe sign no just say enumere 8 na obeba ti 8 na kona wa sign papa na dia man na na mafoforo e wo say etumi
Every mantamu ni nkojina wa ya sante mantamu sika krom oboase na rehosem efri ho ba ne seja hurengure ama ne homne so mo oboase dwakase no atumi ahye adwadifo ene ma hodo na wo kyeremu a soto se makomako bebrudunum na atumi ahye na wa bra manfo bia no wani kurotwa wisi no hone santamo ene ya ama ne bofo Isaac no menyo twetwe nkomo no wo kyerese wo hunu se nwusie apie free baabi wo yan seja edi akire se wom na wo kyeremu a wo mo atontale ye force no na afei wo mo nso a wo tonton provisions miloni ade no wo mo ho na gya ye frase atumi ahye wo mo ama me no ka sei de ejapade bebre no a na sei
ate dia me ye hu se wusie atentema na ye so ye sane bai na eja no ede pa ate sister ba ko no ono oye adwuma wo Time FM ojimi phone no de frɛ adwuma mu e ka kire om se dia esie nie ate ye bai no na dia ekoso no ni wo ma ye betumi aboa wom nyama egugu store ebia be say no ye boy say ye yi nyama no the cause of the fire ne there and ye nim papa there bebre ebi phones ne ebi ntade a boutique no wo mo be dia etumi emo ne na sefo store we kranfo there obi akire wa obehu nyama asay na esoro nyama egu esoro no no there ebi antumi ansane amase
assistant station officer no ewo fire service ewo empatem ho no Augustine Kweno ede to Adom News enim se wo muntimi nkyere de eja hyehye no ebaaye na mum wo mo eyemu nhwehwemu
kagise ya ye nhwehwemu awie well ye normal bebere ho ha ye tumi de bo edan ho ban ma bibi kura esi na se wo ho animanim na wotumi so ano ebi te se fire extinguisher ba ni nyina no ai se esi dan a na yi adwene fili ni nyina so enti sa no ma no so wo bi ofie na se even wo hu gya no kura initial stage a wotumi de so ano aha no embre bebre se nam ha ye ta hu se ka etumi park baby rough ye ba kra na bi apake wo ho bet ai se ye ba ko pe enti ye besere se ye ndi san hye no so a de bia be ma ekwan na adem we no esan se ekwan ni dem ti eduru hantem ba e bia ye baby fofra enkan na mo ho se de esiti enti ka no ntumi wura ho
Yenfri ho na yenkwa aposifo bonom akache na se wokoye asante mantemu a eye asokwa division no MTTD na se post adwumako ne fan ya ejina kwa ho hwe kwa so dwodwo ho nsem no bonom echiemu a me no ka se de aposifo mienu ya wo nyina ye ma Inspector Martha aka number 6233 na fe Sergeant Felicia Okran wo mienu celebrate aposifo chiemu a wonfo atade mu na wontena che sanse kasamfoni bi ba bonten akwaya na wo mo eye wo mo na ensem fata se obeye post adwuma no ti celebrate empanifo wonu nsemu ntina ho akohia se oma wonum etena nkyɛnyansa
oposi adwumayeko ne nkrata wodi tu dwamu no wɔkyerɛ se ɔkyerɛ Inspector Martha aka a ne badge number ɛyɛ 6233 ɛna wasan so akyerɛ Sergeant Felicia Okran ya wo mu nyina ɛwɔ Asokwa Divisional MTTD Ukumase ya kasafonyini bi beto abɛfo ntentan so adwuma a wɔyɛ no na enkoyie ɔkyerɛ se sentia wakyerɛ wo mu ɛne se ɔpɛ se wɔyɛ mu nhwehwɛmu ya ɛno ɛne police interdisciplinary procedures ɛmra no ɛna ɛkɔ wofasa akwanya isunso ede ato wono a otete womo ewo kasafonyini ne mu se onka wakomanto wonyem esanse posi adwumayeko no eguso a eye enhwehwemu ya de obehu bia no obema emra no aye adwuma
yeko oti mantem no emu na yenyine nim se enche na afimpinu ne aduonu na kogunti afimpinu ne aduonu miensemu na yekro na akopie mu woti mantem no emu a mantem ne so afo Joshua Makubu wone Rexek no atwetwe nkomo na wo kyese afie bewra mi omode ne abahodo ogu akwamu pa se be ya bambo ho nsem na afa menteme ho ase watimi wakame bia be ma na omne so no obetumi asiesie ne ntem de wo dada no wo mu sie sanso no behwe na bambo be kwaso se be ya ofoforo nyini ti afimpinu ne aduonu miensemu
I send some signal be say normal nanka as a regional security council you take it for granted, you know. You can actually resolve in things. So per what has happened in 2022 in the case of Nkwanta South and in a mine Kachi Jinji and Brahim Fee most recently, you know. Maybe going to 2023, you know. Some of the things now can say no, normal can be resolved among a handful. In a we will not take them more serious.
Ede osanso ekasa de fa impuntujuma e won patemo.
Bano nkwanta pasa road na eye pasa nkwanta up to Damanku Bridge. But was one who said we say pasa na okos bijato papa hono ede kwa quota so no obere nanti ekwadru Damanku Bridge no. But what is the problem with CB? Side bedroom Kwansek Junction. Now it was purely about the contractor. And then I mean, in the process of the year, you were key MIA to be terminating contracts. Until the procurement process is now, I start here when it is done, a new contractor will be to me a year a better back to site. That is the aspect that makes me account. But a banner will contact to them by and Rara to Jessica and a Dambai Township. Not many I was under city constructions. I'm saying the contract period may air last year.
Yemfri hono na yenko eyesu apan hodo no emu na National Union of Ghana Students etweneti ase nooks na wo mo aye nsentrefo nhyiamu na nsentrefo nhyiamu no ase no na mumpanifo agina simpie so de nsem tudwa no ede kokobo ekwa amasu apan hodo ye wo my Ghana mumpanifo se sukuu no a won mo atoto fees ni mu akase no wonhwe no wonte so won mu kyemu amrahye bedwa no akwa asetena gye atomu sesesu apan hodo ne beto wo mu fees mu a wo se ye wo ha mu nkyemu dunum na nso su se wo mo de no aborosa nti su apan hodo ne hwe no wantete so nene said the amrahye bedwa na si agina ye no enkosa pepepe.
National Union of Ghana Students woma yensemtwefo enhyiamu na wonsem a wode to nsemtwefo enim ene se abansu apon awodo no wonhwe so obetete school fees so na afen so omomodina endi amrahye bedwafo enhyehye yi a wode atodwa ewo school fees ho ewo amrahye bedwafie no woni so. President ya woda National Union of Ghana Students ano Denis Apialabi ampofo ekasa eno de sanchirimu yi eto nsemtwefo enim
sesie ya me no kasa yi school to aso ahodro universities ahodro any colleges ahodro e de won fees and say won bills aba out ye tina se hwemu no bills ne fees no etia Ghana mra a eye act 1080 a Parliament of Ghana ahye se obi biara ana institution bia ni wa ho kwan se obetimi ato fees mu ana school fees mu atra ohanchemu dunum eye 15%. The tiene se oto school fees mu manetra sa mpepenso wi a no watra ana wabumra. Nenso de omne se ye professors ene ye suapon ahodro bebre ho a wabu ani agusa amre so ana wo hye obata bata akire ana watoto fees mu akodu ohanchemu aduanan ene oha
Kwa Afram Plains na ekuafo a wonom ebo hodomo ede adehwede ye mu oden ama eye aban se wonhwe na kwa Afram Plains mpotem hodomo no fulani fo abeje ho aboso no ode anantwie se wo mu mfudie no wonyi won emfi ho wo kyeremu a sika pa na wonom ede do afuo sesei no kamea se afuo no bedra bedru so ba betwa no na obekọ na ne anantwie atiesim no mawedo mbetimi awe bubu de aka nyina agufom na enum ne ne wo ne amane boni akwasi dwamne twetwe nkomo ma me krobon wo kyese sa aban penetom no one person better so much is kind at the sea fulani for so to turn and treat one potem one more na watch abani when a fulani phone one name tree go from plains nyano when you won free ho
Ekuafo womo maame krobo ewo kowu Afram Plains mpatem ede to Adom News enim se fulani fo a womo ewo mpatem ho no ese womo enu bwai a womo edua ewo mpatem ho no enya de a womo ebehwem amoma to aso edi sansemone no
yakasi ene mre ya ne yeboa fi se sesi ameno ka se enro me ko mafom na mi beans ne maburo na o ma wini nyina me hwe ya chesi ya manya obia de besra aban ne se we kakra ya yakan no ye besra so wontu ho na mo se wontu ho na mo de ya yanka sai de mra ne be hye nsam
okwani ba kwa ono nso ene Adom News Central for etwetwe nkomo de tudwa se abribia no se fulani fo yi edi nsamone na so mokobo aposifo amane a na aposifo no eta wo mo echi a enye kwampa so
ko ka fulani ni asem na eko wie ko to a woni ne ka fulani me report o wosihu jama mensen Ghana police wa chirisika won chiri nipa na if you dey ntwe kura be fi don kokro mu district de aba akra mpa ese wo gi permit sanye ma we nyina no approach for wo ha commander ne nkofo na ese so mo hwese ebe ye adwuma
continue wo maame krobo na na te soda enso nsem odi tudwa na ebi ni
subia. Yeah. Now, yeah, your friend in your yen and the Jew. Yeah. So, one, Jackson, let him run messages. Yeah. Let me messages. Yeah, you don't fear. Yeah. And I get to friend. Yeah. I see them for me. I'm almost as well. I go. Yeah.
Yɛmfiri hɔ no wɔ na yɛn kɔnsɛm foforɔ emu a na wɔpanyini baako yi a wɔhyɛ ɛsen broni bɛka sɛ dermatologist ɛwɔ Rabito Clinic Dr. Kofi Brefo ade afutuo ama yɛ Ghanafoɔ nyinaa na wɔpanyini ne nsɛm a wɔka nyinaa ne sɛ saa bre no wohwɛ mu a wɔ ho yɛ ɛpɛ no ayi ne ti na ɛpɛ no ayi ne ti sɛ bɛyɛ a wo nipadua na sɛ wo honam no mpaapa nti no sɛ wobɛsra yɛ afa de broni bɛka sɛ ɛyɛ moisturizer fafra wo nku ne fasra san sɛ wodi agora hwa na skin no kɔyɛ sɛ denkyam de nti no paade a anwawom kakra nefa franku nefa stra sabi already no empapa emroso
skin breaking no edinema bebreba ma microorganism aya anase moa it me cause skin no e cause infection it me crack or skin trauma now the first thing he moisturizers na you come moisturizers special made Inkwa, Emma was skin, it protects a moisturizer or skin, Emma was skin and dry. Na eno ya number one. The second one is also soap. The soap is also no. We have soaps who you see. Emma especially non-scented ones no. Emma or skin, a moisturizer or skin come out.
We enam so ma Adom News in Central for ne omanfo ekotwetwe nkomo ebiso omo se opebremu yi kwan ben na womo efa so a womo de bo womo ehunam ehu ban.
Aya for ladies most of us in here keep this lip gloss with us until the least chance I benya then we use it on our lips. And for your minimum you drink a lot of water say fruits so now be dear to keep you going.
Da amantano mama nu ya papa unsa una mwana una mina sawo ay basabi na wode me my basa
ti anu ne sande na ode be ya ma unipedua na enwo ana wano ne mpaipai
nkuto mini bi wo ho afi na metobi
ope basi ya ne me minimum ni se odware na wa yusu nkun
Oba enkra kropom ha sei ya Adom FM ye morning show no eye dwaso ensem na wo mu de asi wodom a wo hwe na mantem akoma kudunsia ni nyina no eye mantem soafo a wo bo ne homode wo mu eto so aba na wo panyina abato no koma no eye enkra pompuni mantem mu esoafo panyini Henry Quarte na wo abra ye to aba ni nyina wie nipa makoma kwaduonum 55 na wo frɛ phone so afa social media platforms ahodo no so no ye bie kwan ni tumu mo manfo to aba ma wonom regional minister no mu nyina to aba ni nyina wie ne ehunu se opanyini Henry Quarte na wayade pa ya basobode ekwama no
Reporting. First of all, I salute the man who gave him the opportunity to serve. His Excellency, the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Forces, Nana Utankwa Ufado, Nabidi Dr. Mahamudu, Chief of Staff, and ministers. Cabinet ministers, as I said, you may, a interministerial, and Quarte has succeeded. He has succeeded because the Interior Minister is supporting through the IGP. He is succeeding because at Rexet there is a colonel of the Ghana Armed Forces. Succeeding because there are national security apparatus.
Woto aso se anamo 2 year e woni dwumadi e wodi ye no o ma no enso wa wobeto aso aye dwumaden sene enkran ene oman Ghana e be fa ne ntomapa efra.
See that I have the percentage that I want, but I want to call myself in the sense that I did the last 8 years I won't find them say obia nyobi yet call at obia but say me no say you price at the number of calls I get a day. Oh obia see javier the for big baller to I say will be obia. So one thing that I can say is there is an very strong awareness. I will be a deal with, and yet, first, I said normal business will be for. So, hopefully, by the grace of God this year, learning from our mistakes, our experiences, and our challenge, I know that by the grace of God, we will get closer to where we get to. by way of paper and not do that.
Aha, and I bedroom so Cassiam de somewhere near what they made in AC, Usiami, I hear from me. I'm not sure, but I say, what bedroom we can see it was.
Akwa kese pa mra brunya pata kese asubi pim Adom TV bedwe ntwumedie no ane dia wo kensi hu sempa ensa kena no pensu jao medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie kratch ba ko pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ko no quantum coordinates ma odo ensa kan ena no penso e Ghana gudim ebreo hye no sumam se nwuma kunia miensa anomo ediska dwetre ebo machidom e me na no penso ye ne nkomon aba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than saka wa bet there and it tells me what chase so twan before wodin before twan kuma bia din kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fo yere o ma wo fasefo onananam ne ukunu mu ne mprafo na se wala se 1xbet bronye eno na aboa ama boys agemo financial freedom na ne ama 18 atoto yedi amom oni mrufe ne nwotwe fa onyim na mo bet with money that you can afford to lose kaira enya ya no eno ade di twa bet 1xbet ene besa me kan fo ede amount Jeffas Mr. do tashe ana medi wa dance ede amount say infections related to gonorrhea, syphilis, white feet and asudi poor candidiasis natua. A dray would one each bar shops out doing them one sabitia chemical pharmaceutical shops in Nemo, one more Esan will be her eboa, and my mouth for pomodon some so 8 me SCA. Sedimo gel and roll on. Your ultimate pain relieving gel, but more than that, few upon Passover Pimonacide. A drawback qua eboa, net 2 year pain as no a sedimo gel and roll on. Kwa shaman me market na feteman so on sabiti akabi ho o to bi dia ye ho anase o to bi akutu akoton a obetia from 0208219129 na fe oni sedimo gel and roll on phone so yen hwetwe nkomo yen hwɛ mo a emanema 822 ye enfama a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step yen hyase emfanfi EPL enra match ba kuto FMC team na hyɛ so am Leeds United and omo transfer Manchester United ebetwa meka pole miensa ema omo team ba ko ni akoma hwese na kesi no goals no esibai French League 1 on a bekona tim sampa French na mo Lampoleon avance trasa soda image to zopa na ese tim sampa French for Asia wo mo ehwebo PSG for transfer Strasbourg etwoma kamienu a won so etwensa team ba ko eno so hwe ne ekoso e wo sa kensi nim kakra na fiemfe ni intwensan chiremu e transfer market ni hwese na setan ACL Kodia na first international transfer Liverpool for etwensan ye ni yakopiem se Ghana ni abrante na se abrante ba ko bi cheso fi Ghana e bi so cheso fi Togo na o Dutch international a friend se Kodi Gakpo amafo be ka World Cup na abrante ni dan wadi o kwanson ko so nei me no ka se ni wa PSV and Ovina ordinary etwensan chim o Liverpool na ohwema na fo makoma ko be se na ni a ye transfer nim no ana sa winter transfer yakoba na sa window ni bie no ya sign a first signing for 2023 na branch no and medical so mugidi pass na pomodom sendie ejina opintin te se Adom TV bronya patai na nyame adoma obetia saboa emaniama akoye dia ma Liverpool ne nkoma ono so sign no wodi eja idea dance sampa wa sign e dia ma Liverpool ni Bienfe ni twensan chemu e Ghana memhadia Ghana the senior national soccer team ekopie World Cup Qatar 2022 na wrestling ma esi kwa ebo matches best miensa edi ba ko pesu mu nkunim na ekonwe ne se de ma Ghana mantempa so no penfo eja ekwan edifi competition ase 12 days na fo makoma ko best dumienu na Ghana 8 kodie me no ka se de amanfo hwe Ghana Football Association president nim se enkode ne nkomo ne na mane ne nkontayi na betiansa betudwa na obi ahu se na niama esi ko so Sabri Enyadia Ghana for president of the Ghana Football Association Racket Edwin Simon Okrakunka Papa Enra enen kumo kakretu yansa ba se World Cup no enye se bia odwane akotete anase wakohinta se na manfo bi ka no na mo ogide pa se ototo ne mayi na West Africa competitions awodo bi atuansa toto fema eno so betuansa boa ema football development e wo Ghana ha ene abimamu ina no niama akoyi ediaman
West African Zone B, a lot of changes. Already, Medica announced the introduction of 2 new competitions. Bakombe for clubs are only the second or various leagues in the zone. In Kantituna, Okaya Azakes champions, compete, and then the club competition, and then there were for B Nations Cup. But and also the introduction of the Waffle Awards night to honor our heroes in the South region. Clearly, there will be a lot of changes. But like I said, our General Assembly may be our support. It may introduce a lot of competitions, a lot of tournaments, both CAF owned tournaments and WAFO specific owned tournaments. The whole idea is to say the youth in the zone, so many a lot more tournaments to showcase their talents. That's the only way. Say produce Yaya Toure need Didier Drogba move from the sub zone is because they had opportunities to more tournaments to develop their God-given talents. And yes, I'm saying for expecting a lot of changes, but yes, I think say your Mbema and as personnel are Mama.
Ghana Football Association, Ket Edwin Simon Okraku, and Altene can say, or then she share who do it in Sagukum, say baby Tian Sabwa, Emma, you see a few from Air 2023. Niama et me akuye a man cream de bebrina, et me aba ediama a good year football. Now, President of the Ghana Football Association, Kasawi, and a Uran and the Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, one Minister for Youth and Sports, and also then Komoka Crab at Techi, Nasmo Kenyan say, both Kassam or admiration, and I say, where President Jumedia Udia, Adia, a concan yipa, nothing to Konoka and Nika, and Nonam Soma, a chita muedre, and then I uncle fire muedre, and Abeda Montema, Jidi pass on the Ghana goodie, a bit to me, acronym.
We have worked so hard together, even in this country, and when he took the mantle, when you have a very hardworking, committed, dedicated president, and I know together the way we are working together, and we have our differences. But when it comes, we resolve them amicably, and be able to work in the interest of the sports, the football.
And the Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, Honorable Minister for Youth and Sports, and can say, or say a CCA and Kabum, and your Dawson quite down the Ghana Football Association President in Temno, a Debaqua, a Nika, and it's Omujidi Passe, a Betty Bois, and Magana Gudino, Akon, the Bosha Assassin. So, if you offer in each the Black Galaxies of Ghana, Medican you was to train out Chimina say Black Galaxies, or more tournament and French African Nations Championship, and Benny Trinity French Sechan, a Babaso our Gia, CBBA became a January 13th, and Copim Air 4th of February 2023, and I said, Ebitia Basso, Nana Emranten El Ghana Masoka Center of Excellence Pram, Ana Omo Egusu Eyahusi, Na Humbia, Sombenia International Touch, Ediama Omausi, Sebea, Omkupim or Chan Tournament, Nasia, Niama Etia Kuye, Ediama Ghana Group no Uhumodia, and Madagascar, Afi Sudan Fujinum, and Afi Kamroku for, Omon Penny for Ekwaji World Cup, no Mutini Umuno, also agent Ghana Group, Omside defending champions in 2 teams Sampa, I can't see the Enquire by Rabiwajo, Naso, coach. Ukita team no a friend say Anoka. When I'm ranting up market Makupiemo, Air Cairo and Chrome Egypt. Omabo first international friendly against Air Cairo, the young Pharaohs, Emma Omuchom 2-0. Jidi pass Niamadi Dakwemu. Coach Anoka, say players our selectium, so mon coach tournament in there. Or she must say Omamus is sitting in a CPDA, Namia Doma, Omko Fabu Suano, Eddie Abechi Ghana for Ray, or World Cup I Yentimi Angelim.
I'm telling you. I'm not worried much. And when I say mistakes, in kitting, I say me correctly. Fi China econo medi hu adwuma. Ndi many problem. Who be anyhow. Plus our media ba no menjin this a place bebre bi central defense no. And I made Solomon Adomako any Kujo Adai. Sorry. Any Sheriff Ntubesha me central defense no na my strength team kakra I hope
nti ne no so ene ne akopiem e dia fa chan team na ho no na Ghana ni midfield the friend say Majid Ashimeru on nkomo kakra tin aba na o expect senka bibia metwam a na nka World Cup PD nka so otimi da ni akira se o kata na otimi kɔbo abom finfini ho radorado ema niama eso de magana na so coach Otuado entien ton san fan frɛ no abrante se udi hu ya yi pa esan se nei okɔ Belgium League ni ma na club Anderlecht au sia kan de mom no da 11th position after 18 matches na se enye bad sa na teams no dɔso e Belgium na so ɔkyɛ ne bobre pa ogidi pa se ko bɛka Blaster squad no a obetia aboa ema eye competition e Blasters nim no atia koye sisi ade oguso ehwɛ se bia ne bɔbɔ e ne club aka kyerɛ so ebe koye e de ama Majid Ashimeru.
I mean, it was positive and there was no problem with it. I mean, he's the coach and he knows what he wants. So yeah, no, just to do well with my club and make sure we reach our goals, and yeah, that's it. I mean, now we having not quite a good season, but I mean, we are trying to do our best, and yeah, hopefully we end up good. I mean, it was
Majid Ashimeru, Black Stars midfielder. When Tianko World Cup ni bino. Ana also edin enkomo age no na yeko Blaster squad nim stella yet on side for 19 years old abrantie bia ono so friend say NS Nuama say ono so imagine misia ka osi aka dem Nordjylland bobuko no na e wo Denmark na abrantie NS Nuama na oka provisional list team be to dwa no na final squad of about 26 ediko pim World Cup no na abrantie hwani dia enya dia ohu ono so ne komo a odi abeja sisia ne say o hwe nim say nyame adoma obekon kodenden e won club side na danko bia no ye ton sa dia free Blasters players a ya ta so ta dia free no o make grade no na wakɔhye Ghana anuonyam.
Well, it means a lot to me, and because this year was my first season playing as a professional, and when I started, it was a bit tricky. You know, I had to adapt in a lot of ways, but then when I had my game flowing, it became normal for me. But when I saw my name in a provisional squad, it also motivated me a lot. Then I also need to keep working harder, and hopefully
Nti akwalawe so 19 years old NS Nuama and atene kan say odene komo age no si aka de ma Nordjylland Football Club or kan air provisional squad na nke de kopim World Cup na so when me make the final grade anko Qatar 2022 advantage nyame adoma obesa ba in a Rabadon style tiamanfo ehwe nanim hye so ma me say one expert. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the intercept ne say utwan befu a udin befu tiabusua de japade bisa asase agyaw eska ko ne champagne betia tebia nane akoton de keto akɔgye kɛseɛ nesrawo ohwemu ne sena nema esie kwa oni mu fini wɔtwe a ɛyɛ mfa ho engine e ka bet dia ɛno ane 1x bet ne mu bet with money that you can afford to lose sika ɛyira enyo ya no ɛno ane di twa bet ne mu kokɔbɔ ina akyi no still obeso twa bet dia ma ne nye 1x bet omne betia boa ɛma osika sɛm so atimi akoye ɛde ama wo Jeffas mixture edu tetahwe ɛyɛ edu a ebetia saboa ma infections bi atitiw bia se gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white na so di po a edre boa emanema etime koye odi po akra de na sentem obi nya odi po a no roni pitutu asisi a otim sampa ekirasem eche mayanka bomoden da se osabetin aka Jeffas edre betin aboa emanema atotoye ede ama Sedimo gel and roll your ultimate pain relieving gel ye kan ya die pain fi wa pampa so be pe monase no etu ase yi fi ho ne boa emanema ekoye ede ma kwa shaman me market na fetema enye na hokran set me kebia ebetin aboa Emma Opomodon Sam so Ejina Pinti Eradimu, Obetia from 020-821-9129. Na on Sedimo gel and roll on. Yen Komo, Yen Shamwa, Emaniama 1822 Yen Famo, O Madama. Woman attach the boy men and pencil. I will cancel Senpai and Sakaye, Adom TV, Brunya Pata, Cassie Yasino, Yade Ebrel, Emma Hussein and Yama Asia Concomo kind of Dawson, Sister Sandy be a guy, and is watching before. In terms of entertainment, the Ghana had here, I just say Bia, Otafra Batre, Untimino, Commode de Ban Edoso Pa. Within the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Walasa, with the cash back pay, and I'm Jim, of course. Evidence based presentation to be Jao. About the entry animal on your Cassia and you feel baby the Sunni, now on found court baby the soul. The act of being a good guest is to not to say Merry Christmas.
When you say Brunya no money, he be ran New Year more, baby a cheer no. One shall wedded day, one shall one shall wonder a year. And shall now feel no, Juma Cronway style be a nutty, a barbecuation common year to four. Sabaya, a brass society fear break you. Don't forget, say breaking what you know. Juma Hodma Obesanya Quenunti, and now many a year Dr. Michael Kojo Chairman Tene Return Comosi for Sino Penim. odi ne dwuma no ana ye kofa bai na ye monkomo no ntufo ne hu senia e betutu yanamo Dr. Tremantin Machi
Ai mama dase
na mpombo kodi
nyame adom afishia
me na kura musa apomudine no ane wa
oh David
afem
committee
okay yen hwe ni nkomo kakra e de bronya du ye keka boso ye di de betumi ye die ye nom de betumi ya nom anya bi adru sa season sei ya e de na wo se yen mu a wo de betumi ka se mo sua ade akwa akire nti munnim left from right ye mu a ye de yegu mu saa no e ya na se na wo sa na mo ne ko
yo me da se ma me fa nchia so e ma ahwefo ina no krase mini ye kan ye bronya season se went to me anshan control niama yia ebekọ ewie no e de yare ahodo bebre e na e de breye medically no nurse ni doctor ni obi biara wa pomudim ni ndia o hwe anape ebeji atum se yare ahodo bebre a eba ye nipadue ni mu no e due to the ebeka se lifestyle into the lifestyle diseases no egumu ahodo. But this particular season no ede akwanhia baako na eta edeba na yebeka say adwemu akwanhia unse adwemu akwanhia in the sense unse the festive season no comes with enije to ebinum and to ebinum no so it comes with areho because even onya travel from October or they come November no na fi there or drain into like Yashafia say Ebekwe and then maybe na osusun for last year. Fi babeko ne ye and yamano still on who she or shemra aka into enwa drain kra no ekriti yare ewo adwenimu.
Na say Obuwa fina sase na say the motivational speaker beka what set standard amount. Sure. Wo hu safe no because me no kasa ka be 3 days na and still won call baby a. Still baby. Dwendwen kwa tumi ma no adwemu ha.
Wa dwendwen kwa tumi ma no adwemu ha. Aya adwemu akwanhia.
Na say within this 2 weeks here ye di bronye obi betumi nya yare a ano odin sa wo.
Ano odin kra nka senye season na.
Enka
untumi unse WHO World Health Organization eka say si ekase apomudin anase health health and say be a yare any system ni mu but health is whereby in the absence of be about social economic factors betumi about emotional factors obi okrampa this season na ware guye intenu nko ano de nya akoma yare
okay
obi wo ho a this season na okọ depression mu intenu kwa no affect nadwen no intenye season na enka bia bibise no ontumi nye de ben enkomu emenye ye on say adwen no release hormones bia ye frɛ no peritoneal hormones into bibia no say weni beje a sa hormones no na elevate wenije na say ore be ho so a sa hormones no and a control areho na ni titru sumo yendidie eduane a season no edeba obi o ha season where season o person kire say and they say the last oni bi kra the last way there so to me de guso
so to me di ne kra hu say
ne kra hu say ampa wa chele abroso obi okrampa ensa e friend ensa onim nom ba season we and obesua ye be kire no se ne ye nom oh we afe ba akope once a while enti obenom anom edi na ye frɛ bibi say hemorrhagic cerebrovascular accident in short CVA hemorrhagic CVA na no ye whereby arteries na moja ene mu kɔ adwene mu no emu to make clotting na sa clotting no due to srade too much srade nuane ene but say be a moja nama hodo obi wa be a fofo once the but wo hwɛ enam ne enyame ode decoration that's the right word wo hwɛ ne decoration nkoa the decor no nkoa no essing fufuo no into at the end of the day no sa niama yi na ekɔ wo nipadua ni mu no at the end of the day no honama kwa be a friend of pancreas no or G process into and also a machine a ye me ye juma broso say and to 2 year particles betumi akokeka outreach in muntafe na umoja na kwa moja no use force use force a adweno ntumi nya moja dodo a ehia ebasa utumi nya adwemo akwanhia a destabilize o de ebema wehu during we no to know say before the season no otibia insencheni bi tumi sesa eniama bi tumi sesa wo wabra bomu but say wo ho a wakoma tumi bo pe ebobro so obi o ha wada no wasori anapa no osori a ase ne honam nyia ye ne ya ase obi a waye adwuma bi ache nanso ebia na onye adwuma enche ye obi o ho no so ne de no ohun niama tutu ana se nitimu tumi niti tumi pai no pa wa obe result to all painkillers ye be one dicro and all that but still no tumi wo se enko
na se enomo no ne ye aduane mboroso na mboroso bi ne noma bi ekọ ni paduane mboroso no
na a clot a form clot e woni arteries ni mu
nti ama moja no e wo se koba no ntimi nkosa de e wo se ekọ na abawi we nyina abawi na abenya yade de se ne wa anwe anka atu baby
that is entity bibia no in moderate. Okay. But this season ankasa na ya moderation nu ni ho
yen cheke
oh mekra say menka me to me de me ho ya me say obi invite me ekobi me hu say eduane omo de mam no me di bia che
so what did diabro so
me di bia che and I was like oh we there a season
into my memory
be my nyire me ho me wa no so in my lifestyle no so entisa but because it's a season ya kwakohie mu nti me pese me tese me nom na me we na ebro so na me hu se bia like me to me edi eduane ni ye ne aminim eye ensa.
Okay.
And no crampo there, no matter the season, unyame. But the more a season no day ba wa wusian sanum, and also a wonuma wonum brosono. Kitwe bi a obenumbiano a jai bibi to say toxins, e wo bre bonimu.
Okay.
And the toxins and on kakranka na e brebona honde ase. E brebona honde ase. Into bedi afri fufuro ni mu a unhia ahonde edge e de aye edwuma no. Na after the YM, then you'll be battling with spending money or yare share near there into season at such major conditions at the brain pediano.
And Tian say Obia Cosati be any more. Obes that's why the Enra wants to swan hangover as a painkillers in the Hunamania. Is it advisable? And I be bisano and I'm more ben I want to.
Yo enunti na C4C ayarsabia no ewo ho yes say because of festive season crofire budget omode ba be ye niama ne ade nti yeso ye try say ye be introduce what we call Christmas promo special care at the ama obia no it's more of say whether say wo yare ana say wo nyare o share all over western region yes say bra takrade fejai may sport takrade fejai may sport oba anapeya obeto doctors ekukudam ewo ho all over western region.
Okay.
We share so in any part of central region so oba eye esikumo dobin brakwa district in aguna odobin so yewo ho.
Okay.
Sa so na aguna suedru on the road to Swesbu school no so yewo ho.
Okay.
Sa so na ye branch kese wo Cape Coast Green Hill and also Ewa and Nana Pay Yatnase. All over Greater Accra region, Tema 4, Dodowa 4 and all that. So Oba Adenta SDA Junction, and also C4C Hospital and Nana Pay Doctors Kukudam, 3 doctors so Atnase. Me free house so me kwa koka by 5 p.m. and Nyamiadum yebe sorry. So and I share and so all over Shanti region so yese bra kumase ejuso kwa mu Europe fo so amoshe nyame adom ya tenase aye adwuma ewo Holland Oman Holland Amsterdam asase so brono aye friend Holindred Amsterdam Teaching Hospital ni opposite ubehu C4C ayarsabia no so ewo ho a ye adwuma so ewo ho specialized hospital a ye hwe bibia no fariva condition ye kania no say I am focused more on honama kwawa nti yesi bibia nkoka papa enje grade
ye brenit ye hwe e bia no bi pese wo fra number be no frame
me pacho ye number no ye 050 00 40 331 050 00 40 331 331 say offer at least first 50 callers no you bear registration amount. That registration not just a hospital registration and care 70 cedi no you the better for free. Consultation 1.2 so you the better for free.
Next one na cry almost 200 cedis for free.
Scan machine so you bear 50% discount.
Wow.
In Nura who do now so you bear 50% discount. For first 50 callers are almost be free 05000 40331 05000 40331 and a Europe for so free or plus 31 61 833 8997 plus 31 61 833 8997. So the line no wakra now for Ghana line 05000 40331 na ya beje so na ya chiro branches ni baby a
na wonso watumi aba Dr. Yedase Ebusua Dr. Michael Kojo Chairman C4C and opagini wodi ni dwumo no ana ye kofa ba no kire se bronya yi mu ye ni agi ye didi ye no ma ne broso e bia na sorry honam baabi ense danko yi antina fie nkeka painkillers emom fa hokodom C4C no wonhwe wasabe mu ye promotion tete nyama sokoro no enamne no adi enkomoi efisem so e Adom TV so ni wuhia me akai se obefrɛ me anoche wa ba adwa se wenko bia de akachire ene roso Ghana Bam and one nanum pedmfo and I'm the woman etwetwe enkomo Dr. Kojo Kuma Ghana Herb Therapeutics woman akofa Ghana Bam Poster Joy Ghana Man and afa Crypto 400 aba ejwaso no and awadi adwam ne no ebetwetwe enkomo Dr. Kuma Machen
yanua
yanhwe Ghana Bam de ye nimadwuma oye
no correct
sa agututuo pa de ne de no
yeah
na ba ku bi Crypto 400
yeah
yensa semfri ho eno ye den a
okay Crypto 400 no nrofufro ni bia ye de abedwa so eno for malaria na plant ye de ne friend Cryptolepis sanguinolenta nti yenya idino Crypto 400 from there na it is the very first of its kind in the history of Ghana, in the history of West Africa. Say yeah malaria draw ya capsulate obi anye bida yani industry the pharmaceutical industry di kan yetimi edrobi say aba and into na yama abobi di say the leading pharmaceutical industry in the whole of West Africa
nya bo chemeba na say malaria draw na ye ka no eye bibidro
plant
and am sign the gu topa
ya capsulate no for the very first time one say herbal medicine say treat malaria nyina no so far Ghana ha no herbal ni nyina yensu ebi ni ho ya capsulate ebi ni ho ya na tablet but yen no nyame adom bi etimi a capsulate for the very first time so na be ya betimi a mask taste no say malaria ndo dey na ka anyu no nti amanfo ntam panyom but say ya capsulate da easy say ubetimi afa na ya den so ebo ejuma pa nti one of the new products I dey abeka your production line Crypto 400. It's come malaria there. We every kind of malaria parasite be your parasite how do you best at night. Your Plasmodium falciparum, your Plasmodium vivax, your Plasmodium oval, your Plasmodium malaria. Ninano Crypto 400 etimi cleaning in every umojemu.
Yan share ye Prostajoin so.
Prostajoin so nyamia don by now the mijidi so obi ati Prostajoin kan ye the leading prostate medication, the number one prostate drug, Ghana, West Africa, Agidin, because for some years now, Ghana, for your prostate drone, Achepa, and Yamia, Metini prostate, Ebano. Results are not patient, and no Yamiadum, Yenya, and I feel so. We look at, say, prostate na aya kesian and then I was said do no etimi kona ekwatwetwe and yes Emma wo adun so keke nti and then e draw etimi etwe ma prostate ayare amana honhon no etwetwe no aya fa ne BPH no esama na ehrenkan aya prostate se ba ne say cancer impo na prostate no ma fa ne prostate sia etimi esi cancer ma won ho kwan se na be ya en spread yo moja no prostate etimi eni nyina na fa se na adun so no mo hawo etie biara no se wo dun so a wo chem se wo dun so ne ma pai mi no dun so a ne bi akawa ya se se wo dun so no tot
prostagio etimi eyisa or how ni na efri ma Johnson no eba se ne was eba no obi so dia entimi embe yi wono prostagio ya ebie Johnson twa no mu kwan ema Johnson no etimi eba omo amanya infections as a result of prostate enlargement say UTI prostagio etimi clear sign infections thing because of antimicrobial herpes say Morinda lucida, Phyllanthus fraternus and Momodica carantia a woman a boa emanitimi treat all infections in the prostagio there obia nim say for prostate brantia mo pese omusi prostate yare na anu ho kwan se na bia chine bi ehom no omutumi enum as a prophylactic
nese wo pa wontwen ma ne mans enya ma ne kwa utimi num prostagio na wo de asia no kwan na wa nya
sa pe
na Ghana man no so
Ghana man so de blood circulation enhancer inti
nese wo pese moja no dia fusani mu da ho a
precisely inti wo pese moja no enane na etimi edie fusani a Ghana man capsules impempe no moja no etimi eda sana intimi entimi ensane se ne was sane e kas aye thick eno so ba ne sana ma nipeduane enkwaman elake ennuane nro any enframapa aye oxygen e was feed cells no inte ban sa otimi nya yare bebre from stroke dizziness anemia think about anything I think about and I feel so my ban and bema fimwa ma obema sem and I say wa ho de echo from as bema ti Ghana man capsules e drobia nane moja na boma moja etimi edi fusane echo nipeduane fanyina na ema nipeduane enya enkwa e ban sana ema adwene e active because enya enough supply of blood e ban sana na adwene etimi e produce na say etimi ahosuo a etimi e control nipeduane efa bia including obema yo bibiti say gonadotropic releasing hormone luteinizing hormone follicle stimulating hormone nyina ambema ehia na ebema omo ho asori na sisi omo ho sisi omo se bema no Ghana man capsules etimi e nyina nti wo hwe indication na for vitality sans boost libido because the more on Ghana man capsules no enhance with testosterone level as bema testosterone na ma wo bema ena ma wonya atenka ena ma obema to me sorry ena ma emu etimi eden ena ma ohunsuo anase wo sperm count no across for prostagio etimi enhance nyina te nyame adom prostagio ba no bema no mo bema problem be bre no enne omo nyina no etu etwa enye edra ema prolonged erection you know the difference between prolonged erection and a very good erection. Prolonged erection is a man a storage na hamana bruso ache and also na and also another effect good because enya bruso more than 1 hour and as even after 45 minutes most of the time no be man be say emu aya ya and e friend priapism into bansa na be man mu kwama na e say it begins to die most of the times the be emergency situation I just say e kwotwe moja ni fru be man
free man sa na etimi akofo
just say aspiration and depression now so na obema na etimi akofo nti ndro be no most of that for these acts a man for prolonged erection which is wrong etimi ekum ni etimi ese akoma but Ghana man capsules is not for prolonged erection but a general blood circulation enhancer and anu say na eboa ma wetimi aye be ma wo yo ba nso no ma eboa emba no fine esiesie omo
afeyenko almighty Ghana ba
Ghana ba me say woni say tutuo honam ya you can pain bia dia Ghana bam etu ase once and for all and I say ba say bia wonya fracture dislocation wo pese wo chechire wo nan no wo betimi di Ghana bam achechire say ekro na ya wo ti di Ghana bam no address se ba say wo numbness e wo unsa no nan etai 83
so wana unsa na
di Ghana bam extra so activate internal your friend the nerves and the nerve endings number enkwa essence e be matwi moja to every site of application into eboa emanipeduane essence enya enkwa ebium se ba say bia wo bia wuntumi enna wo bia wo sinusitis wo bia ohinimu etesi ana so ohinimu eteso nso wo bia minimu ene wasum eta ekeka
so mo kwan masum no mo do say
that kind of thing sinusitis allergic rhinitis obia amama age na boso a ontumi enhome ohumi ensisi so obowa na mama ni yellow green ni abia ni se ode onya Ghana bam na wa no ansu she be se half bucket na what Ghana bam 2 teaspoons now they are two na open to maybe now the ana kata uti na blanket bi na ta obi na odi akata uti na we punu kopem se steam na efrin so
she na ba ebesa musie no ko mu precisely already na wura
good obetwen ti be wura mu ye pa ba na yejuma from your brain to the sinuses ohwini mu asomu wahra mu yejuma obebia eyi infection mo bia microorganism bacteria say virus say fungi a cleaning na edi e free ma wonso utumi nya relief instant relief and afenso no what say covid no cases no asanso ashase spike biom na ye ka edra etimi eboma etimi esi covid no kwan nim say Ghana bam de untimi mfa edru bi entutu no ema ni enye yi ntia no so de covid ne de ye bo bodin say ye be bo say nsa be Ghana bam na ye koso aye the steam inhalation no ebetimi agba yi papa obo say ye was say 500 and so ho and the latest immune booster ye de aba and here for obi pese yare beta abo na so pese all the time wunya pomodin se na be yare bia entimi embora mojanum entimi ehaw and it say 500 edi aba essentially an immune booster a anti-cancer agent. In other words, no, obi a over cancer and obi a cancer person how and as obi a person who see cancer and no quite no, which me enum save 500. After we are back. Now, ute enya infections, say candidiasis, say bacterial vaginitis, whatever being the infection, biano say insure ete egu, say enka ewo ho, udi unya save 500. Say on no 1 morning, 1 evening, and one no ebe clean
normal save ya.
Normal save ya. SAVE 500.
Save 500.
Save 500.
Oba wase no.
Oba what infection?
Yeah,
to say, oh, buy you not to say problem pa ewo ho, udi bomodin say won sabeka save 500. Infection be ayo no better gonorrhea, chlamydia, syphilis, whatever. Even if it's a human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, monocrop, with the UNRWA that's no, but per se 500. Say hepatitis, viral hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, whatever, any kind of viral infection, because a immune system enhancer, no dear, num say 500. We want to say a better immune system. No, na etimi ako etia Arabia a war system. Say a cocram and a woman cocram and a hono. Whatever be the case, tumor be a tumor, cancer be a cancer. The modern so sabeka save 500. You want to see the dorsal.
And Bruno will be pebia 2 number ben a one free.
Yen do need the Yamiadum Siciano a war baby a war pharmacy shop be a war herbal shops, a war health shops, a war clinics, whatever you want to be a toy in Drobia or Pesa or toy in Droni, but a draw brand be a PBA say Ghana man Pro Star Joy Crypto say 500 Ghana bam yen running na available na your contact all across the nation with the baby obiano ubetimi akopɛ donato say in case wunye bi ento your numbers ahudo mi no ubetimi afrayen e wo so 0244 727028 0244 727028 and 0244 754380 0244 754380. Your friend Ghana Herb Therapeutics, the leading phytoceutical industry for the whole of West Africa.
So we cry Kobo baby when you be and me from the nearest herbal and I say pharmacy or
the nearest pharmacy, herbal, licensed chemical shop and access store. Benya yindoni bi nyina eden ato ewo hono mo na ese mo bi bia nso afisha pa se mo Ghana Herb Therapeutics ye ba edwaso no mo gie awatu na ye product e di ba edwaso nyina nso no mo timi agi ni nyina they welcomed everything. Pro Star Joy, Prostate, Ghana Balm, Ghana Man Save 500, Crypto 400, Ghana Man capsules ye damasi ye se nyame enhya mo nyina ye ma mo nyina afisha pa ye ma mo a very healthy new year in advance ye damasi.
All right, thank you very much Dr. Kojo Kuma wono free Ghana Herb Therapeutics wamona akwafa Ghana Balm, Pro Star Joy, Ghana Man na Face Pro Crypto 400 and a Save 500 abejaso no pay abusu pharmacies and herbal licensed chemical shops enyina mu benya bi na wato na medame ho abatew me ba ebibremufo a wo mo akwadi broni manso wo mo keka wo ho bom di dwumaso no ho nkomo yebedi bedwam so ni he nko ba bia me ba Sankobo no fe ne braso ya yebedi me da se wo twa me wuhia me ya frɛ me anoche waba adwa se wana wohwɛ me bonkum so ho a bon se ne de na wi me na fe ma nko a na yatena se se me ma na nyoma ho me kakra ene yaduru ma ne so na wo mu a ahia wa hai de odi nkan wo me bonkum so no Lowry Fon we wo no na Africa most beautiful USA odi nkan with a beautiful smile ono ena wa ha say ena forever young was wonyini da on say so that in fact ama me kwa do nyini me bompa ese me nyina me yese ya efe na akono pa na akosia nkroma adasa ono no ye organizer wo sai CEO edema abofrem foundation sa foundation no ene edi dwumasono ya etisei ena de wo twato ho kra eye angel kisi edu ono na me de beka chi pa typical chi ena me ne beka wo fidiom ha sei empanifo me mama akwa aba Laurie, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes, no mo de beche. E be ko brofo sanso no ofi Cameroon. Enti chi no enya de se otie enti yen free nkomo twetwe no once. Me free free nana ho. Nana,
papa.
Nanka ma ye o matukwan no makodu US. Mo mo nwuro mo hwan. Nti se bikini ntino mba bia yi. Na sa de ade akwachechiro mo kwan. Ampotum sa amamre ne amane ahia pa.
Sa pepepe. Medase say wa mama kwenye na ubusa misa amane ni amane de di kan me kire watiefu nyina ene wa hwefu nyina ayaya no kre amamre de ye ntontwene say me yo ba panyina me ye wo hima idie na ba bia me wo bia na wo se me kire amamre no e wo honom enti amamre ni amane de oba uduru ba bia ifrantum efrebi ye shatare nso no asibi
Nana yenso why you organize it? What goes into it? There na wo digina so eboabo wo mo ano.
Big question no. Kwan kra ye befa so aboabo wo ma ho wo ma no no. Din yie. Kire se wo mu free enkuro ena wo mu beka
bo. Ho do so nya Ghana nko a.
Ai America nkura bebre. Ene ye bo nkontene ehwehwe maya no ewum. Enti no enya easy say ye benya emabunu say na ya ma wo mo abesisa akenya no enya easy kra
na enya den ma onso obi wa wakotena foreign country ni su ne ban asesa onso da nya mamre ni nisa adwuma na nya den
eden pa eden eyampa enkra no bebre omunje amamre ni kire say this year no said ye open no said ye pese wo mo ye no enkura ni bi wo ho a wo mo nye omo ye kan say omo motam omo nim said ye si botam ti no na eden
enso sa we dey si wani so nti no still no wow why ya dear mama nko angel ho angel kwa ba na me do wo katwi no pa to ase because wo dey wo ye Ghana ni yen share competition no wo join ye net say na mo ye do say
also yes Saturday and I think it was about 17 of us
okay
but along the way because it's July and all of that but we ended up with 17
wow was it tight?
It was tight because it was a competition, but at the end of the day, you're
all right, I'll get back to you. We see I say empanifo me de wo mo twetwe nkomo no. Se wo kwa US abrochi memu a dwumedie stronko na ekoso ewo ho. African most beautiful USA. Na say ebibrem aman a ewo ebibrem hanom no. Ena emu mayo ewo US abrochi memu no watumi aboaba wo mu nyina no achese woni wo mu edi dwumaso no ya etise nti wo mu ena mene wo mu ahia organizer wo hasemara mene wo mu etwetwe enkomo esa ewo honom mamensan enko nana so nana wo na abo amana no anye bia was it tough but ansa na ye bekọ nana honom no wo de yenye brani nhwewemra Mamenko Angel kisi edu ho. Angel, kwaba. Yense we join a competition no na mo yedid was saying how has it been so far? Angel, I'll come back to you. Okay, just a minute. Afi mamenko Laurie hono na afi yeni nkomo. Laurie, good morning.
Good morning.
I hope you're okay.
Yes, please. Thank you.
How has the competition been so far?
The competition was a great experience. It was challenging, but it was a wonderful experience that I don't know if I'll ever experience something like that again, but I enjoyed every single moment of it.
Did you expect to bag this position?
To be honest, I did not. I did not. Like, it was my second time competing. And as you all know, when people compete in beauty pageants, they compete over and over again about 5 to 6 times before they win, you know. But I just decided to compete again because I knew the experience the second time was not going to be the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So after being or emerging first, what are some of the projects that you want to carry out?
Some of the projects that I want to carry out is giving back to my community, you know, helping the helpless, donating, and I've already started doing some back home in the US and in my country, and so we've come to Ghana to do a lot more. But yeah, I also want to just encourage young people, young girls to, you know, to be confident in themselves and to know who they are, to not be afraid to chase after their dreams.
Okay.
Yes.
So now let's talk about the people in Cameroon. How do
Yes.
they feel right now?
A lot of them are happy. My family and friends are very surprised, you know, that this has happened to me, and everybody just keeps encouraging me to keep moving forward and to keep doing great things.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's Laurie from where and no bro for na posa ya ka gu honi nyina me sia no pa mini koko no amam de ma ho odin nyina bro for sa no ni nyina ne se na emu odin, but it was worth it. So we join here. We are the tosu mienu a wako. The di nkan na wan se de nra ni musa de tosu mienu no e na watumi adi nkunim na akọ ni krom Cameroon a obi ani age na busuafo so nyina so ani age no hu ye hia se we ya baya na osisu na dwuma de tise ikoso a odo hu hyem sanse wasu amamre asu amane wate ase no de nyama hodo so agu akwan mu opese wo ye na so na busua ene ne manfo nyina eni. Okay, enti yanko na akosu yankroma da san wotosom yensa eho. Nana masanya ba ohobium. Yenhwe competition ya wo ye challenges ne bi ne de hin.
Ebi ne enkura me maya na ye ne wo mu esi akensie no. Kire se na wo ba. Obi a ntete yenko. Se de obi a kasa nko. Enti no eden pa na wo twi mienu to say yanye de yetim yede wo mu ewo efie ba komo for na watwe mienu enye easy to groom them no obi anko ne se de obesi akasa akire wo ene wo mu nantie bi unim America fo nkora but yanya de asi ene so se ebeye no yebeye enu ntina ye pese ye tete mabunu no se de esi kasa akire panyini
okay
enu ntina ye yesa ade we enu ntino eya normal
sabe yo munchi nyira
sa
obesa tie si kwan ne so me da se nana mame ko Angel ho Angel, finally I am back to you. Angel, not feeling it to say throughout the competition.
It was exciting because me home girls baby me home mother and Mission will be a personality. Me a very hyper. So some of them me who say not yet. It was just trying to learn who everybody was. But at the end of the day, we all got along. And I yes answer yeah then they will say yeah.
Now we say ubenya crown no. And I the onya ye Etino wabamu and you still proud of what you had?
Ebu kakra because obiani ho a on pese obe wini bibi, but at the end of the day minum se me yo hema wa makome mu dada.
Yes.
A channel shem no make a difference bia. De me pese me ye na de da metrim no just keep going with
so
it.
So Bianche, what be your second runner up? What are some of the projects was a one that take you communities?
Okay, so my organization here for autism because my older brother spectrum no. So in our community, the African community, and I feel sad any sheda and call autism huh? Okay. And start time na or school because it wasn't too popular like that. I feel sad nowadays nice in abahon but me pese me any bahon no be say just because all different spectrum I know just say when papa na say be wide range nti me pese me visit omo tisano me some organization be I get in touch hopefully me akona me coordinate bibi kakra na me who say they're not by themselves. Me too, I go through it and I know how it is.
And so the Wajina was special children, autistic ones.
Yes.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Nana, my memory, do you know no Udina Fibia?
Me pachawane.
Inti, wait also saying,
say season 3 money away.
Anyway, Tianko next year, Yansha season 4 in him.
Next year, season
3, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Next year, July.
And season 3, no? Wow. Now, o foundation, when them say Abofrem Foundation, and no na o de yes,
yes.
And no kwan Africa Most Beautiful USA and kwan say what other project Abofrem Foundation
Abofrem Foundation ye project be brave. Abofrem Foundation CC hospitals ye tutu Suoma villages. Na ye science schools.
Okay.
Na Abofrem Foundation na se Ghana kwan na meye Emma Womo. Enti no me ne me team adwen say I want to do more.
Okay.
Enti no ye be boaboa emabunu ano na obi a wo free African countries no de obewin ne ye be konu krom na yakwa akoye bibi wo ho no enti abaye ye a wo free Cameroon ni ye obi push me to ya abaye ye a wo free Cameroon ni ye ko ono su kromu na yakwa akoye dwumadie bi wo ho ama no. Enti ye pese yakwa African countries but ye be say ye nya mabunu sei e na o madi anim ti ade a Abofrem Area Foundation ye no
mo ye no nti say de won pese be ye Ghana nko a
dabi ya bo Ghana ye na
mo ba be hyemu nyina se Cameroon fo ababi wo be call mo nso no mo so dia
ka kra ko ho dada mpo because Christmas ya mema ewisia a wo mo Cameroon yama wo mu nuane ene enkura wo mu ne namba sabasa ye wo videos ni nyina wo ho enti e dika akọ nom sabe nya ya ye nipa ne ekọ ho beti esika de akọ ho enti no de ye no
Nana yeda say wo dwene mabunu ne ho na amambre ne amane ensu ehia now to my favorite person baako personally they be I can admire him from afar you no Omwa na jiji ye nia oho de bia se de watwa kwata na no kra no zo kwata no so kra se won se de hunu chapa pa bia o na resi na sa so hunu pa kro honorable Kofori atna se opanyi ma che kwa ba
ya obi ade
mo bo adwuma o
ya jumi o
ya me kaza
so se mama asresa na se
Menkasa se de ye dro
I know
se de ye dro nya mu bia anka depression kra kuye e da mo asese mo nso mafa sa adwuma no
e da mo asese mo
so ye ni komo for Africa Most Beautiful USA ho e so far competition no ho aboabo ne ho nyama te sei
ma me fa akonya so ma hwefo no motifo akwaba obroni be say it hasn't been easy because Ghana hana wo ye na you know a lot of people are able to me come home for more and I support the but in America no very difficult for them to even understand you know and easy and most of the companies now mobile to me are support no so no they only tell you say they don't do beauty contest so they say and you know e basa na be personal effort you know Abofrem and finance all these you know throughout I just say any easy you know for instance this year the NSA baby a koye no ye worship mu and ship no make one oje it's crazy you know
wow.
Yes but Nyankopon ye adom ema ye to me koye and it became one of its kind in America never in the history of America.
Na o hwe se de musi e den na emu mabam.
Obrasha se eden but we no nyamensem. Me gidi se odofu o ye fu na okoji asase na odo a o hwe se na eda hotra na ebu abem a you can't do anything but utumi nya gidi se udua ebe fifiri ema asase na eda ho pefe no abe cover I mean enuane be cover so ama woni agide a I don't think say ebebu abemu enye easy that is the truth cry because thousands of dollars a seminar yeah kano even the prices for the contestants you know winner no enya car with thousands of dollars.
Okay.
And sana second runner for Slovenia Sika, a vacation, you know, near the Ansana third, you know.
And in Abofrim Foundation, na all sponsor BBA.
Yes, and aside that in the Krano, there is a project she has to embark on, and this will be supported by Abofrim, and you know, which you see in the crew no Beko we tackle mostly on water, like in Sio, any Nema, Emma, Nipenya Pomudin, hence, and we tackle on those things. Nina can be, you know, until no, any BB at that form.
Okay.
But, yes, in the piece, ye bay any dear, na ye gusua, ye say, and she be an Yamia, Duma, no bay, moi, na Botaina, ye deep pija, you know, SCP. Because Sena and Anahimadi can be fetching for the girls in the crowd.
Yes,
and yet easy. Fetching for them, and yet easy. And Nipanunya Odobi and I regime is up so yeah, you know, Nafi Ebusia Namfo, no more Fiasia, Adena, you know, Omubuna Bemu and all that. You know, the Nipana in your courage, and to me, I'm bad. You know, and even quite to me, but audition behavior, but later I know about say,
on to me,
yeah.
So the pressure will feel,
exactly.
Okay.
You know. And most of them too, they come from out of states. Say, be last year or New Jersey, this year or New York. You know, say Nipani free a train or bar. You know, Lori, she comes from Boston, which is about 4 to 5 hours drive. Yes, to New York, and she was driving back and forth and all. And Florida. you know, and yeah, easy crowd.
Wow.
Yes, and then when they also come, we house all of them. Yeah, house so more, and then we feed them. We, you know, move them back and forth. Yeah, places in so yeah, do more call to have fun. You know, I mean, it's a very exciting event. You know, but what goes into it, you know, is the matter. That's the problem, yeah.
And easy. Nana, ya brano, yasun, tibimra ho. What is your motivation?
Se me hu se mebunu esre. Se me hu se ubia esre. Se me hu se ukrani ese nana wa mama kuma ato me yem. Se me hu se akura bia wonam street mu. Obeka se nana school a usi yenti ene mitimi ko school. Inchiriment na me yesade we nyina. Me hu sa baya say isria e ma me yemo.
Nchimada say, Lori, your final comments to your people.
I just want to say thank you so much for having us here today. It's been a wonderful experience, and yeah, may God bless you.
All right, bless you too, Angel. Dear now, DJ, mindful.
Pacho, I just want to encourage anybody out there, say, even if you don't feel like it, that's when you need to do it. And just bring attention to what you feel is right, because you never know when you're will be our best son in life with just what you want to do.
Okay.
To me, that's it.
Go for report and comment, Uncle.
Well, you better Adom TV multimedia. You say, I'm say, from day one, you've been very helpful, and I think we need to say a big thank you to you. And Adolfo being so omotai. One is say yeah, be at that form, but if they want to, you know, come out to support us and so Akonya no ewo I almost winning so I do almost call embassies, you know, like she was taken to on a Cameroonian ambassador to the US, you know, and you do more so gradually it's getting bigger and better, but we think we need to do more. Intino say adofo beba beboa ka eno so enye ahojo ebe ye you know, because I think between February and March you be launch this year.
Okay.
There now you start to recruit 2 girls, you know, and then you know until
me da say nana final words ne uncle.
Adom media me da masipa say afibia me de maya iba musoyemu na muyi e kire Ghana man nyame nhyira mo pa yi na me fa akwanya so ada Mr. Mpedwase because adwuma de ne ebe nyina wono na ogina akire ye director kese pa no ogya na adwuma ba America ebe boa ye nti medana sina meda obi bia se ya dofo ya tamfo bia me mo bia so afinhia pa nyame hira mu nyina
insha wonso ewusia efisam so eni ye sorry anesana wo mo be ka mensa no eye Africa most beautiful USA wo mo ye wie ye no de wodi kan ye lorry from where wono ne di kan wo free Cameroon mine emu na Angel Kisi do ye second runner up no de wo free Ghana ha ya na afa call for ri wodi muntintiman pa e kobra nyina no Africa most beautiful esina konkon na afa kofa by na akosua nkroma da sa wotoso miensa oyo organizer no kwa na sa ye see wodi ma Abofrem Foundation a sponsor support dwumadi atisi omo na amne wo mo atwetwe enkomo na me sorry anesa na me sorry no happy birthday nessa woda pastronko enko Emma Ajekum Jacob owo aboso kan wo free Akim Oda etreso nyankopon entre wo nkwabe mu adwuma wo ye bia spare parts a woton no nyankopon twe nkrofo ma ne nkoye wo hia me a eya freme anochi wa ba ajwa sewa ye sorry so efise mwesi nemom kai say sister Sandy be ye guy obetwa so nti enko ba bia efise apa
Akwaba.
Yeah, that's
now time what's the Kumasi fire day?
Kumasi phone say event cost to our crab baby, but we don't go so year na. Just say, I want to say Christmas be bo. Hey, Kumasi for any average pa. Entertainment, but they do entertainment. As a so better is the credit of vote here, my Miss BB, yeah, was because the betran to man.
Now, you ain't the ever call.
I ain't the ever call.
Now, we are Kumasi boy.
Me a Kumasi boy.
Hey, if I'm not free.
Oh, DC, the chums so matadi chums look at cry, swami ka cry, odium ka cry.
Hey, what area thing a guy cry like I got small cry.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm representing to say crew.
Top.
South interest but I see as this go from.
Omuka nansia no mo be keka ho South interest.
Very steady. Where me area? Very steady fa.
Kumasi Ashtown. The chums so Crowford. Asafo. I will count the map on him.
Yes, some big shout to Evelyn or him. I could see I saw so feel videos pan or who Jaina or so feel page. Why you want to make him?
Hey, Santa, Florida.
Hey, Sabina, Akwaba. You're so beautiful, honestly. I said, up on him one, me boy. Akwaba. Oh, yeah, TikTok for no, yeah, talk about Bomudia. Some people know you, others who don't really know you. Osha, I once I made the watch for some didn't really know. What do you think is the problem?
I think it's still growing. It's the numbers.
Okay.
So nobody will know you. As time goes, some people get to know you bit by bit. So the more you grow your numbers, the more people get to see you. So I think.
But it's not a problem.
Yeah.
Oh no. Also, TikTok, no, it's a whole industry.
A different world.
Yeah, it's a different world, and the numbers are. She has more numbers
she's part
than
of my
me.
favorites.
But if you come on Facebook, probably type of content I may
it's time.
No problem.
Probably people know you for the Benkuta. And the whole lipstick thing. Take out dressing it and I don't count. To see how the reggae wine yaba now grab Benkuta. I think on Bekai.
And come back.
I don't know dear no baby. And your ma have me facho. I said, how many man? Baby, I have to say. They say the dress need you. What dress all mommy a stylist found? Because on fan chain and saying
you're 24/7.
Hey, it's never 247 because now saying like the way you dress and everything is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, mommy a stylist
of course.
Chana Sonny.
Obeku Ventures Michelle.
Oh, mommy now you're no raw Obeku Ventures. Before I over school Saba, you know. You had a problem with numbers. Now, but back here, I think it's been massive.
Yeah.
What did you do differently?
I changed my content and everything.
Okay.
First, I wasn't doing transition, but I tried once and I went viral. So I said, no, let me work on this. But I'm not going to stick to this. Maybe next year I'll change it. Otherwise, it's going to be like always, no. First, we are not moving to change dress.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm for transition queen. Where who commenting?
Yeah.
Sabina was most and for trust our commenting. It's a woman when transition queen.
Wait.
Wait a number.
Media mano.
You are
just that me pet wine wig mano not changing.
Is it difficult to do this whole transition thing?
Very difficult. Very.
Like, what goes into it?
Costume, makeup, like everything, and it takes a lot of money because if I don't know how to do my own makeup, sometimes even your own makeup is not going to make everything nice. Makeup no so who name here papa instead of this could see I don't be able to 300 cedis. So if a day
which one him 300 and I
70
AJ which one him 300 cedis. Hey, I was your TikTok star AJ Brown. What's what you him 300 cedis. Hey, and you only scout up on so because you him 300 cedis. Because that's what you in 5 days 300 times 5,500 na ajwa.
Obedi mama wa say we ejuma it minim said that me no
me nya as all the namu jinam
it me ye ni ye
okay
maybe metuma ye na obe watch channel video bi beba me ntwen ka say oh and me a video ba so first video na ba say na say me that means the next following day na say
okay
me go to another 300 cities e fine
eti mo afrochela na mama mo ne 60 sa na nwa mo ko ho na mo gine mo ho
what's the word
so Sabina in time the last time na me ne Gilby a video and he was like you channel TikTok straight and mu chabi wa baby na mo dey aba app ne so ana
yes
mutimi ye ne sa
e be a normal camera baby so they get trap from TikTok straight it's normal camera and e be some take you time for you to edit
and sometimes you lose the quality of
course
ejuma wo no oh yeah normal videos are okasa straight more dear no I'm quite interested kakwa mucha wa baby like normal camera
or it depends if it's lip sync
yes
lip sync so bit my use to up the street even right now cause some people still use camera to shoot the lip sync but we no I feel no be editing no the sound na shame
and na to say Kevin
hey no but they can do shooting straight from the app
okay and aside lip sync you know the others that you do to say video be now go away no sound
one baby
how mo ya app ne so
now you download the sound you download like an app a bit is a CapCut so better download it in short
then I'm
and also your editing app so you go and download now what copy
YouTube the YouTube the obi upload all this away we upload it so you download it then when you are doing your editing now cut now they are
sound be up over shame too
that is normal video on your phone now they call Viva or no now why edit so now what transfer
TikTok is a editors so
then
everybody is an editor now
then I mean people should give you some sort of respect there are people out there who don't understand or say yes some of your stars have you been hearing that
a lot of
time what's a song because I now you're from stars more celebrity but you're from where you say when some celebrity
me the meaning
obi for now uncle Google now one type of celebrity what is the meaning of a celebrity
yeah celebrity yeah what can say celebrity
yeah kwa na ya friend mo
sa friend say ya mo fe but ebu ha na ya ntimi star na something na some
but look at Juma eko mo you understand
it's a whole lot of work
and I don't see why
it's a whole lot of work
industry is very large your video vixens obi on the field so Nigeria the way I don't know why Nkofo is refusing to understand say you are stars because the
number of followers in Nigeria if you have that number you're a big person sometimes I'm about Ghana now like catch yourself your IG followers I'm say share Nigeria you be big star I'm on fire
like don't they gas so like and some of reactions are millions and I'm following no
na dey no mo ba ku hu ye omo afina snap aye din wo ho omo ba ku hu ye snap views aye omo wanwa
so snap them mo so da I mean you're on Snapchat mo handle on Snap
most of them migrated from Snap me man ko Snap that I didn't even like social media
it's all about TikTok or straight
me about TikTok or straight
so how do you get your stories dem na how do you get it what's why na be switching
it's just me the masoto form.
Okay.
And I'm very
okay.
So we say, you have a lot of vibes. So, vibes it's basically that.
It's one like relatable.
You just
so it's just relatable and all that.
Relatable stuff.
Wow.
But when you transition, they're masters. So sometimes when people approach them, a bit more approach you more for arts near or more price, they will think that imagine say Ube who age now or charge you 1,000. 1,000 is nothing new. Because not because Obe posti she make up on 300. So if you have value on a product now or best sell amount now.
It's not only the makeup self, but sometimes on tiring ambition. If you want
that's
to
what I wanted to say.
Because I can't repeat that in my a whole 1 week.
I think it's TikTok my makeup is getting better.
Okay.
Because once it's me a bad makeup, but because of the camera and some filters, it makes it look good.
Okay.
So I kept doing it myself.
It looks pretty.
I do my own makeup myself. But if you want to repeat it, that means and now they are transition video. I will say it should take you like 2 months before you can repeat that.
How much do you spend on clothes, Sabina?
Oh, me, I'm not me. It depends. Then I'll just get it.
Okay.
That's or maybe I mostly spend money when I have, let's say, a show or let's say a premiere. If I'm premiering a movie, red carpet, that is when I'll spend money and sew a gown or a dress. Or maybe you have a shoot. I think Alpha House. When you are shooting, you have to sew.
That group takes a lot of money.
All right. But we mamu fie, mamu kucha, na muchi have more renty baby.
Baby, it's 50-50. Ebi wa ha yenya, ebi so ha yetia. Aside say hotel abepa matare, you did a hair.
But I mean, because now you are out there popular, let me say popular.
Yes.
People approach you with gigs like,
yes.
I don't know what I mentioned.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I was on Adom TV soon here. Yes, spend time with TikTok stars. Yeah, catch them now watching. Yeah, the airtime, you know. Ebe promote talents Ghana. Makacho sa ube fiasa ope airtime 60 seconds, just 1 minute prize ebe ball no tibete. It's no bring a way of giving out. Let's say promote talents Ghana. Me sake AJ Brown and I face Sabina Jifa and at time people's favorite time. 170 you. If I'm me show mo videos na kakra and ba mo me sing na show mo videos mo act na kakra embrasisia.
Tony, my husband na he disvirgin me. Oh, baby, play along.
I don't understand. If you're gonna face me in English. Don't come with that bullshit Yoruba. Speak to me in English if you want to face me. It's not bullshit, but she knows what she's doing. If I start insulting you, Igbo, do you understand? Speak it in English so I understand what you're saying. Don't do that.
Calm down.
Makosha tukrum. Makosha Samu shishamia na samu humia tukrum. Makosha tukrum na samu shishamia na samu humia. Makosha tukrum makosha tukrum. Mary Tawachi bra me why? Eni ko si ayachi. Oba me mo obi ehun o. O de wa say no. Obi afra me amini ho. Me. Untimi delay me life. Obi into me and delay me life. No. Obi afra wa amini ho. Sa me nti ona mo be bra no me wo hu. Me. Ha. Men scrolly. Debi o. Men scrolly jina so. Na dollar ni so ti kakra no. Ghana for sana motie. Me see Christmas yipa event. Hey, on the 21st, 25th, 26th, 27th. Chete event in kwon. Hey. Shena ye di Christmas we am me bo me hobo sian. Ni papa ku benya ho akọ event in and out event. Obefa na event. Hey!
Mami kike bi
Kabichi mami.
Sidi your own pen. Obi yeden.
Mo.
Obi pe.
Okachichi mo.
Obi ka obi yeden. Obi pe.
Mo. Edi watch it.
Can't show. See I'm never lovely mama.
Not beloved. Discovery. Discovery of the year.
Manda.
Papa.
She's my brother. Hey. In the same hometown. She's my brother. Oyoba. Oyoba. Hi. Yes, my brother. Hey. And I'm say yes, my brother.
Up no. Some today I'm saying.
Can you change feel free?
Ebi was
I am married.
Me pray the door.
Oh, waka, oprega.
TikTok app no pray.
Eh, oprega.
Obi a pray. And to wada.
Eti nana, almost pray.
Yeah, me say me pray. And it's not like as in pray, but me ye be energy. Yeah, energy no me ye be na family feel okay, this is what I did for mommy. So why not say me ye no? So it doesn't mean say me pray. Obi to say me ye barre like hello my dear, come on.
Okay, so what then I'll catch us uncle phoning in. I'm almost say pray. I'm almost say we barre. I mean,
I feel say like you should get to know them. Maybe you don't know say Obi what because Sabina say Obi wa say sisi a ohun no but say Sabina the when the costume ni when he buy at that moment to be hunu. So this is me and this is like what I feel say me I call, but it doesn't mean say sana metie or like me come on like,
until if you say outside the app and you're a different person from app.
Yes, because there is difference between AJ Brown and Nana Joa. You don't know me when I'm in my house.
Men can't show man.
That's what I said.
Okay.
So you people shouldn't just judge. Yeah, you have the right to make comments and everything, but to be a more limit because what I would do to get my views and everything there, because it's paying.
Me say anything for the views.
No,
it's paying.
Sensible things, not as in crossing my limits.
Okay.
Yeah, to so because me gidi no, me gidi na you fair. And it's never commenting. Thank you.
Okay, so send your work and sending in no. Aside and no, because of the things you do on the app, people think if you are a bunny armor.
Oh no.
Because of the dressing and all that, but me, no, as my daughter, I know who you are.
Those
who don't know you.
You can ask
aside because of the dressing and the appearance on the app, that's what people say.
Yeah.
Is that who you are?
No, and Bakubi and Biyani say, you know, say maybe because of my transition and Bibino, you try to do something sexy or Bibino, and some people think that's like
you're
how
selling
bad
yourself in that way.
But I feel say this what is giving me my money. Okay. I'm not selling myself. It's my talent, or let me say it's my brand. No. And some are having those like innocent face and just standing and do something. Yeah, very bad. Because last time I learned something, I was like, come on, women in the panic now.
Sometimes your competitors will be rallying behind your back.
Yeah.
Maybe your fan base love you, but our competitors, maybe I will bet me share that creative account be now what they.
No, but I mean, what you said is
that one is true.
It's possible.
But what you said is a very great point. There are people with cut faces who are my own fans to swim.
Yes.
I don't want to mention names, but on your app, I know people who actually pray and do those bad. Meaning, kwa famo bomb pile app and so who am I? Many must say jamwa. But squad. I not about squad as a girl new crano.
Kiso.
O crack girls baby, o crack boys baby for boom. But once a more now, moye sano. I know you have just one man in your life. When you're basa and all that.
Zero.
But I don't really want to say.
Don't know that.
I don't want to say. So now I send them a meeting. No, TDBC has say. That's not who you are. You're a different person from the app.
And you don't need to prove yourself to anyone. So far as I am okay and the few people around me know
and your family is okay. Well, your family knows who you are.
I don't prove myself to anyone.
That's very okay. Sabina, what are the things you heard about yourself on the app? Hardly say me say.
Yeah, hardly say.
Don't pay one sem.
I just
now no low key now when
I just do. How do I even put it? I do my best to just deliver. That's all. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, there are people like that. They'll be able to comments and say.
Okay, be mutual. Okay, I remember there was this time I went for a photo shoot. My birthday this year. So the one that was taking me behind the scene, I used to Snapchat filter me, and it made my knuckles very dark. There be me and me post here, and then somebody was like, "Me like you are bleaching." So that was when I saw it. I was a bit hurt. So I just pinned the comment that those comment. I pinned it. That's all.
I mean, you're a man. Do they look bleach?
No, me could because I bleach. Me call cry oh to say I because it's you. And I mean ya color cry. See I just color. Obviously me bleach. It was like, whoa, really?
And a filter and so
color. And I'm color now. It's not sometimes the filter and the lights, yeah.
Glow kakra. But you to what are some of the things you said about yourself?
Me pebieti is still me nyanti. It really bleaching, you know, you hear a whole lot, but I think say when you are concentrated on that, amount of energy, form.
That's true.
The moment I'll be delete it, move on.
A big shout
and
out
just enjoy yourself. Yeah, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself.
I mean, I'll tell you guys not to give your ears to.
Yeah.
Negative energy and hearsays because as will be am aware you many much dear. Oh, this had a drain you.
Yeah, a bit drain.
You on the right track.
We have few TikTokers comment here like get it to a move. Yeah. Some even
then
cry.
You don't have a tough skin. You really have to have a tough skin and don't give your ears to bad energy because you're on the right track. So far as it's paying you, but maybe
I feel that some things they say is true, and you learn from that. But
exactly what I'm about to say. So what thing maybe found who say, "I dear okay, why we show who say nipa na who say yampa." You tone it
you
down.
Have to, yes.
I guess like
crying and
sometimes negative comments actually help.
Okay.
But negative comments, why not free in Hoba? Obi go on board brass over commenting.
Yes.
Just target your own comment no hwe ni. Kana brabo. Na dia toto ho. Aha.
Police do it.
Anyway, mo social media handles. Unim say mo ye late. Me be say me ka ba maka mo ye late.
Patrol me social media
handle. Na mo ye late be 30 minutes. Mo waste me 30 minutes going. Where your baba be 5 a.m.
My name is Time.
Oh, nah, it's Sunday me ba late.
Oh bad. Okay, what about time kaka? But okay,
what
about social media handles?
On Snapchat, AJ Brown 1535. On IG, so AJ Brown. On TikTok, AJ Brown 13. It's BBR AJ Brown. AJ Brown 13 on TikTok. AJ Brown 1535 on Snap. AJ Brown on IG. Yeah, AJ Brown.
That's I do them patch. We are Time Kaka.
Okay.
So a movie that I've been featured in is premiering on 1st and 2nd January at the Snap Cinemas. Accra. Intime Pomucho. 1st and 2nd Mumbai support me. Why?
Ticket and I mean
tickets 50 cedis per.
I have been me.
Sabina Jifa everywhere.
Okay.
Me pay one pay.
Time. What them?
Me so me handle our Twitter here. Time 2 GH.
Okay.
And on IG me at time_GH.
Okay.
And on TikTok here Time GH. Yeah.
Okay.
Facebook also Time GH.
Okay.
Yeah. Mundi mechi mun follow me. Me wakra. A lot of amount for be free say me Kumasi.
Only Kumasi.
What's on no Kumasi? Oh Accra.
No, me wakra.
I didn't know.
Me wakra. Why?
Okay. Diamond pencil art. Be painting be chair me. Diamond pencil art. Me da si bebre. Me nsa. Me and can feature pan come Adom TV. I share phone in 90. But that's icon maybe be near it so icon maybe be near say oh.
My old
Monster and I'm most sapan icon.